Hi everyone and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just an absolutely stunning 1967 Chevrolet Camaro RS. Guys, I'm telling you, when I saw this car, I couldn't walk away from it. Just beautifully done car. I think it's one of the best looking Camaros I've ever owned. I love this color combination. It's finished in Cortez silver with the all brand new legendary red vinyl interior. The original color combination was actually white with red. They changed it to this silver, and I'm telling you, this car just draws everybody's attention. Killer look. It's got 18-inch billet specialties all the way around it. Those are ZR rated Diamondback classic radial red lines. So, and there's no writing on the outside. So if you've ever bought a set of those, they're ridiculously expensive. Just killer car. It's a Georgia car. Recent complete body up restoration. Beautifully done. You can see it's got the Rally Sport package on it with the hideaway headlights, cowl hood, front and rear spoilers, lowered down just a little bit. Drives out nice and tight, shifts good, clutch is good. Just a killer car, man. And there's not much at all that you can pick on the car. It is gorgeous. Hideaways are functional. It's got the red nose stripe on it. Chrome and stainless are in excellent shape. There's hardly any miles on this car at all since it was restored. It's got a big block underneath the hood now. It would have been a factory small block car. And I'm telling you, man, this car, I could not walk away from it, man. It's just a beautiful car. This is one of those cars that can sit here as long as it wants. It will not hurt my feelings. I'll tell you that right now. Deck spoiler, front spoiler. Again, it's got the steel cowl hood on it. Really good lines on it, which is a big problem with these Camaros, to be honest with you. Yeah, just a little wax or something going on there. A couple little marks in your bezels. Car's nice and straight down the sides. Doors open and close real nice. With Camaros, a lot of times they just drop down. This thing just awesome car, man. Like you say, when I say a car has eyes, if you've heard me say that expression before, this car's got all the eyes. I mean, it just pops. Beautiful paint. Again, love the color combination. Very nicely done. Front disc brakes, power steering. Look at that car, man. It's just beautiful. Again, it would have been a factory small block. I think this is a 71 396 underneath the hood. It's got a Holley dual feed 4-barrel, Holley aluminum intake, Hedman headers, power steering, power front disc brakes, HEI distributor, chrome air cleaner and valve covers. It's a factory 4-speed car. You can break that down in a trim tag. It's got a Muncie 4-speed in it. Aluminum radiator with dual electric fans. Really nothing to do but put gas in it, turn the key, and go have some fun. But I'll tell you what, you better be ready to talk to people, man. People see this thing and they just flock to it. I mean, look how nice that dash is. A-pillar chrome's nice. It's got the dual chrome mirrors, all new door fuzzies, door rubbers, new door handles. Look at how clean those door skins are. Beautiful, all new interior, new carpet, new everything. Right there. Bucket seats, console, Hurst shifter. It's got a tilt column with a sports steering wheel. Seats have been all redone. Headliner's new. The car's got 91,000 original miles. Again, there's very few miles they said on the restoration. Aftermarket tach and gauges, Retrosounds radio. It's got a dual plug-ins over there to charge your phones. Flowmaster dual exhaust, factory Timbo. It's a 373 limited slip rear end. It's got a nice little cam too. It's got great sound. Not a just, you know, rocket ship of an engine. Runs out good, shifts good, runs on pump gas. Built it to drive it. That's why he did it black underneath. It's all what do you call it? Gray spackled in here. That is a beautiful car, man. Again, very nice underneath. Suspension's all new. Like I say, built to drive. Not overdone, but just beautiful, man. Bunch of new stuff coming, guys. Make sure you're keeping track of the website. All our social media, I try to keep that as up to date as possible. I'm going to try to knock out as many of these ads as we can. But it gets tough. Man, this car's just gorgeous, man. Yeah, the seats are nice and tight. Parking brake works, tach works, fuel gauge works. All your gauges over there working.
Water gauge.
Yep.
I don't think it's working.
You don't.
Everything else is working.
Oh, you're looking. What thing sounds. Radio works?
It does.
It does, yep. Blower motor works. Yeah, those doors open and close beautifully. Okay, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.